There's a story to be told. It's about something that flows slow. The place we all finally will go. That's the cloud in the sky, our soul. We all have to play a role. We won't know until we are old. When the day comes, the answer will show. Then we will be a child waiting to get old. We are getting old. No longer be a child. Losing faith, losing soul, 'cause we are old. When we born, we start the cycle. A cycle of getting old. And we die, we only have our soul. Then we will find the many choices we haven't choose. Once I feel regret, wanna start life again. Our soul will transform to someone tears. All the tears flowing to the sky. Be a cloud. Be a crowd of clouds in the sky. Going to fall again when the cycle ends. And why we cannot say goodbye. Once I feel regret, wanna start the life again. Our soul will transform to someone tears. All the tears flowing to the sky. Be a cloud. Be a cloud. Be a crowd. Be of clouds in the sky. Going to fall again when to our life.